Repeat Grids in Adobe XD lets you quickly create galleries, lists, or any other repeated elements. With the objects of your first entry selected, hit that Repeat Grid button over to the right. Pull out the new handles horizontally, vertically, or both. Then adjust the padding by pulling on the pink areas. With additional entries now created, let's add content. Straight from Finder or Windows Explorer, you can drag groups of images straight onto your grid. Then you can even bring in plain text documents to fill in titles, metadata, and more. From there, individual text layers can be overridden if necessary. Forgot to include something at the beginning? You can easily add in elements after the fact, and they'll automatically populate throughout your grid. Finally, if you need to make layout changes, whether it's positioning, structure, or color choices, you simply need to update one of your entries and XD will handle the rest. And that's your bite-sized look at Repeat Grids in Adobe XD.